Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Nissan Maxima key fob. First, gather all the key fobs you wish to program, including any existing ones and new ones. Make sure your car's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. You will also need to locate your vehicle's ignition and the hazard light button, as these are crucial for the programming sequence. This process is straightforward and can save you a trip to the dealership. To begin, insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, quickly press the hazard light button 6 times within a 10-second window. This action signals to your Maxima that you are initiating the programming sequence. You will know you've successfully entered programming mode when the vehicle's hazard lights flash twice, confirming the system is ready. Once in programming mode, take your first key fob and press any button on it within 5 seconds. The hazard lights will flash once, indicating that this fob has been successfully programmed. Immediately repeat this exact step for every other key fob you wish to program, one by one. Each successful programming will be confirmed by a single flash of the hazard lights, ensuring all your fobs are recognized. To exit the programming mode, simply turn the ignition key to the off position and remove it from the ignition. It's crucial to test all your newly programmed key fobs right away to ensure they function correctly. Try locking and unlocking the doors and activating the panic button. If any fob doesn't work, you may need to repeat the process. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.